If you want that your machine should never give troubles and it should work non-stop without asking any repairs, you must be familiar with the sewing machine parts and you should be knowing how to clean it properly. While you clean it, you get to know small problems that you may face in future, so you can set them beforehand. In this video, I will show you how to open this bulb area, clean it, and how to clean this feeder dog area and the bobbin area, so that you don't get to have major sewing machine problems. If there are any more problems, then you may be needing machine part replacement. So open this faceplate. This is Usha Genome sewing machine, and you can do sewing machine repair at home using this way of cleaning up. Remove the faceplate, then remove the bobbin case. Open bobbin case area and the shuttle. Shuttle race. I want to open even this part, this shuttle case, and there are two small screws in the sides, but they are too tight and I could not open them. So I left it like that, and I will show you how to clean your machine area even without opening the screws. No need to put too much pressure because it is a plastic machine, and while you are doing it for the first time, no need to put too much pressure. Even if you clean external parts, though I clean my machine very frequently, it is about thrice or 4 times in a month when I stitch regularly, but still after every dress that I make or you make, there's going to be some lint or fabric pieces or some small threads which needs to be removed, otherwise the stitches will be very poor quality. So remove all the thread and lint. If you do even this small thing at home, then your sewing machine will not ask for repairs. I'm using an old toothbrush, but a small baby toothbrush or a small brush, any other brush which you have at home, that can be used to clean your machine thoroughly. Clean it from every part, but no need to put extra pressure. Once you are sure that you have taken out the lint from the beneath, see, I started because I wanted to clean just the bobbin area, but what happened later on, I thought of removing the feed dog and then the faceplate and bulb area. But ideally, you should, when you are making up your mind to clean up the machine, first remove the bulb area, then this feeder dog, faceplate, and then the bobbin area and the shuttle race, etc. Okay, this way you go from top to bottom. Now this is your feeder dog. Small fabric pieces and thread and lint get stuck inside. It is important to clean it neatly. This is a genome, Usha Genome Stitch Magic, but you can use same way, same technique to clean any other sewing machine also. There are going to be screws and pieces, the small machine parts, and then you remove the lint. This exercise you can do once in a week, or depending on how frequently you make your dresses. If you are making fur or thick fabric dresses, then you can clean your machine before or after sewing your dress. If there are going to be many thread pieces, you should clean it after you finish your sewing. Now you clean the shuttle race. My machine is not very dirty because I recently cleaned it up. Now we fix, but move the handrail. This will be fixed after the shuttle holder, this bobbin holder. See how it is to be placed, and then the outer part, then the plastic hooks. Be gentle with your machine. It is plastic and aluminium machine, doesn't a little bit of metal and the plastic, so you don't put too much pressure. Okay, I give a tip here. This is the bobbin case, and if you get very poor quality of thread, the bottom thread, then move this screw in any of the direction till the time you don't get perfect stitching length and quality. See, the topmost sewing machine repair shops, they also don't indulge into replacing the parts. First of all, they just clean the machine, and most of the time, in 90% of the time, the machine is set to work. Now we fix this. So we have two small screws that we remove from here. Fix it back. These are very small, so keep a small utensil or some kind of a plate, small plate, where you keep all the screws when you remove them. And as you fix the machine back, take each of them, because these are very small parts, very small pieces. They must be taken care of. Make sure that you fix it tight. The screws should be tight. Next is to fix the face plate back. You can easily know which is the top side, which is the back side. There are holes for the screws, so place it and fix the screws tightly. I'm mentioning fix the screws tightly because there's going to be one place where you don't have to fix the thing tightly. So be careful where you have to do what. Fix this one also. It gets a little tricky to do the work and at the same time make a video so that it is understandable for you also. And anyway, this screwdriver that this Genome people provide, this is a little slippery. Somehow I don't get a grip on it. So here I do it tight. Okay, next. So this is done, and the upper area, that also if you don't want to open the machine, simply clean from this area. This is the thread, needle threader. It comes out, so we can take it out, and the other one is for the button. While you stitch the buttons, then you pull that ghost stick, kind of a stick here. So clean it from external side if you don't want to open the bulb area, the upper body of the machine. So lower body is done. Because I decided later, so I open this screw, open that white cover, and then the screw. It's a big long screw. Take out this front head side. And now this is the bulb area. When the bulb fuses, you can change the bulb from here. And from here, some parts would be moving. They may look like loose, so don't be scared, don't panic, because this is the threader which in any way goes up and down. Okay, and even this button bar, this white one, this is also for that can be pulled up and down. So don't panic if any of the part moves. Don't put too much pressure. And you don't have to open this faceplate this upper part every day or every month. You can open it just once in a year. There is nothing much you have to do it. Even some machines don't even ask you to oil your machine, but you can put 1 or 2 drops of oil here. Though most of the parts are light metal and plastic, so I don't understand why. And on top of that, they don't indicate where all to put oil like other machines. So anyway, we are just doing the cleaning so that, see, if your machine is giving big troubles, then also you should first do this open and clean on your own self. Okay, if still it's giving trouble, then only you should consult the sewing machine repair mechanic. So here I had some dust and lint which I cleaned up. Everything's done. Now it's good to go. So we put the cover back. It's simple. Initially you may feel afraid, you may be fearful, you may panic, you may feel, okay, you may or may not feel. But I was afraid initially, so I think most of the people are afraid to do this task, but it is pretty simple. Okay, put the cover back and your machine would be 90%. It won't require any repair from anywhere. And during lockdown period, it is a godsend if you can repair your sewing machine at home. So this is done. But one more thing, while you clean your machine, make sure you also change the needle if it is not changed for a long time. So simply open this needle bar turn the screw, remove the needle, and at the end of this video I'll show you what happened to the needle. Even though I was thinking it was working very good, very fine for me, but exactly what was the trouble with the needle. So the flat part of the needle would be fixed in the bar, and there is one video about the needle thing which I posted earlier, and it was a detailed video. You can check that also. So here I put the thread also, and this is get to go. And one more thing, this is one double needle, twin needle. So you get twin needle, like two needles fixed in one. So you get it with most of the automatic sewing machines. So they generally give one piece of twin needle, and these other three needle sets, these I bought separately. So when your twin needle is, when you use zigzag and then use twin needle, then there are chances that it will get bent or broken. Okay, so make sure that you use straight stitch when you use twin needle. Now I got this 16 number needle for Usha Janol. Okay, one more thing, I got one more machine, that is umbrella machine, or you can call that dreidel machine or industrial sewing machine. So needle for that machine and this Usha Janol are different. There is difference. So you have to tell your shopkeeper, or you have to check the description while you buy the needle. So that's all for this machine, and if anything that I left, do let me know in the comment section, and I'm sure, I hope that you like and subscribe to the channel and the video. Thank you so much for watching.